of the UK Locksport January challenge, and I've got here an Avocet lock which I got from a Reclaimers. Actually removed it from a door for them and they gave it to me. It doesn't have a key because most of the locks you find in these places don't tend to have keys. Avocet were around for a few years, then they kind of had some sort of management buyout, I think, and became ABS. There is a wonderful Avocet padlock which you can get, which is fantastic as a good training aid. Got some lovely spools and serrated pins in it. This, on the other hand, I think is not going to cause too much of a problem. He said. Oh, no, there we go. All right, thanks very much. Bring on day 11.